everyone, I've just organized a last-minute seminar here in Sweden in June. The topic of the seminar is beginning canine freestyle, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about what's going to be in the seminar. This seminar will teach you how you can build a canine freestyle routine with your dog from scratch. The seminar will go over how to teach positions and transitions in canine freestyle and how to create original moves for you and your dog. We'll also cover how to wean off reinforcement during your routine, as well as how to choose the music and the choreography. We'll go over how to create smooth transitions between tricks for a flowing routine. We'll go over the foundations for teaching fancy, complex, and precise footwork. This seminar will also go over exercises that you can do with your dog to build strength in the certain muscle groups that your dog will need for doing canine freestyle. These exercises will also help your dog with balance, body awareness, and flexibility. We'll also cover how you can use props to accentuate your routine. How to begin with heel work in all directions will also be covered.